Wow, what a scene. I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have 2 new tripods that are on the go with me so I can take my video any place I want. These tripods are Andobil Magsticks. Yay! I think I found my scene today to set up. It's a perfect day in Santa Barbara, California for a little running video, and I have my MagStick from Andobil. The Andobil Magstick comes with a carrying case. With the selfie stick tripod inside, it weighs less than 1.5 pounds, so I brought 2 today because I wanted 2 perspectives. And it's so easy to use. I just take out the remote and I open it up. On the go, it's really quick and easy to open up, and it extends all the way to 63.5 inches. So that's what I like to use when I'm doing a really wide shot. The base opens up really easily and has 3 prongs for great stability. It's so great at Henry's Beach whenever I'm filming. Life happens. We've got a school group that's cleaning up the beach. That's magical. I love Santa Barbara. And I love this shot, so this is where my phone goes. Snapping in my phone is so easy, and it actually has a magnetic backing that's going to make sure my phone is secure on the tripod, so it's not going to fall off. At the base of the tripod, there's a remote. The remote clicker is how I can turn my camera on and off no matter where I'm at. And I just click it on with the remote. Do you see what I see? I see the Pacific Ocean rolling out. So now I can get in the shot. Today I'm filming horizontally to get the whole horizon. And we have a photo bomb today, thank you. But the tripod's phone holder could be flipped up for vertical just as easily. The Andobil is the best, so I can be on the go and get any scene I want easily and quickly. And I have my remote, so I don't have to have that phone on for 30 minutes. I can click it off, which is great because not every moment is a photo moment. And because of that remote, I'm able to go and get in my shots without wasting a lot of my phone battery, a lot of my phone video. It makes my edits much more easy, because I can click on and start my productions right when I want and end them when I want with that remote. I can use my Andobil for stills or for videography. But you know, I like to do a lot of videography. And I got 2 Andobils because there's many times when I need to run around and get my second shot. And when I'm on the go and I have the perfect lighting and the perfect shot, I will set up a second tripod so I have that second perspective ready to go. So I can have my second shot ready to go when I'm ready to go. I sure didn't need to get the scene of me climbing back up the steps. And today I wanted another horizontal camera angle. And the coast is very clear today. And because the Andobil Magstick tripods are so lightweight, I could easily run around and set them up all over the beach that day to take video of me as I did a workout video exercising in my favorite place at the beach. One of my favorite things to video is scenes from nature. I have this hobby of feeding birds outside one of my windows of my house. It's so precious for me to watch from inside my house of the birds feeding, but from the outside it's even more magnificent because I can clearly see all my little birdie pets that come to these bird feeders at my window. In the past, I would roll the cameras for a long time for the birds to come to the bird feeders. But now with my Magstick from Andobil, I'm able to just hide in a corner and click on my camera to get all those shots. So without wasting any battery or having a long piece of footage on my film, I'm able to just click it on when the birds are there, when they're actually feeding, when they're actually at the bird feeders. That saves me so much time with editing and so much of the memory of my iPhone. It's great. It's just magical to be able to film like this in nature and to capture the moments when I want to capture them without having hours and hours of footage to have to scrub through later. It's really changed the ease of my photography now with my Andobil Magstick and that remote. And today I wanted to film me starting a painting out in this beautiful eucalyptus forest. So I set up my Andobil tripod Magstick and away I went with painting. And all of that could be start and stopped with my remote because there's a lot of moments where I may not want to show my next step. There's so much preparation that goes into painting out in the woods. That would have been hours and hours of footage that I sure didn't need. I only wanted to film the moments I wanted to show, not everything. And it was quickly done by using my remote. I captured just what I wanted this magical day painting in a forest. And on that uneven forest floor, with all the bark and everything, I was able to nestle in that tripod for stability out there in nature. My painting was going well that day, but I also knew my video was going great. Yay! My Andobil Magstick selfie stick tripod came right to my door. It was delivered. I had bought a few. This is what the package looked like. When it arrives, it's compact, so I stood the box up on my counter so you could see the height of that box. The box itself is a couple of feet tall. It's a very simply designed box. I took it out of the box and it comes already in its traveling case. There's a handle on it that you can also lengthen to become a shoulder strap. The zipper is really high quality, it doesn't stick, and inside the Andobil Magstick was wrapped again so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. They're very careful with how they packaged it. And here's a shot of the Andobil Magstick in its mini form. In its shortest configuration, it's only 12.3 inches, so you can have it really close to the ground, like at a foot above ground level. This shot shows it with the feet closed, but once you open it up, the tripod itself only sits about 3 or 4 inches above the ground, but that's what it looks like folded up. Here you see the remote right above the feet as it's folded up. There's a close-up of the top. The hardware is high quality, and I'm twisting off the top to show you. You can take the top off, and this is how the top works. You can click it open, snap it closed, and the Andobil Magstick has a magnetic backing, so your phone is secure just from the magnetic force. You don't even have to close the edges. I want to show you that by shaking it. On the back of it is a button to press, and that's going to automatically clamp your phone into. The phone holder rotates to any position or any angle you might want in case you're on uneven terrain. On the neck, there is a piece to turn so you can swivel that around so you can get exactly the angle of the camera you want. This tripod is also a great selfie stick, so you can change your perspective so you can go right at you and have exactly the length of the stick you want looking at you. That's a great feature because sometimes you want to be in front of the camera in a selfie position. The remote is easy to take out, and it's also very easy to connect it to your phone. You press a button till it starts blinking and go into your Bluetooth, and then you just press the device Andobil when it comes up on your screen. It pairs in no time. And simple as that. And you can start filming right there by pressing the remote on, like I did, to show you some close-ups of my Andobil with my cell phone. And just by pressing it, your video clip is done. Extending it is so easy, you just pull it. It's got a really easy glide fill. It's a very quality tripod. It's simple to use. Extending the legs is just as easy. Just pull, they extend. The base isn't flimsy, it's stable and strong. From whatever height you want, whether it's 12.3 inches all the way up to 63.5. The Andobil Magstick Selfie Stick Tripod is a quality tripod for a great price. And because it's extremely flexible, it's great to get the angles you need for your shots. Whether that's flipping the phone around 360 degrees or flipping it forward or backward up to 180 degrees. It is a tripod to be used anywhere you go to get any footage you want for your videos or photographs. For you to get your most inspiring video. Like these days, I was getting mine. And I felt the Pacific Ocean from my backdrop this day. Was absolutely magnificent. It made me feel so good. I'm Rebecca Brand. I hope you click the link to get the Andobil tripod. They're fantastic. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a day at the beach. Bye, see you next time. I'm gonna now go do a workout.